There's some smaller ones there too. That thing is dialed in, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. That was a little one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta rack it hard.
Can you hit the big ones?
Yeah, oh yeah, you can hit any of them out there. Did you hear a tank? It's a big heavy steel, so it's not gonna really move it that much.
Which one are you aiming for?
The red one. All the way to the bend.
Yeah. I think you hit it. I think it's moving, swaying. Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. You hear the tang. Yup. That thing's on.
There we go. Ooh, missed that one.
Yeah,
Ooh.
you're out. So what I do? It looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We're using the top dot, Darren, or the bottom dot?
Top. High.
Alright. There you go.
High.
Nice. High?
Yeah. High.
High?
I don't know where that one went.
Ah. Get out of your way. Okay. Oh shit, he's hitting that. Right.
Alright, that was low. Oh, what am I missing?
High.
I'm out. There you go.
Oh, I flinched on that one. Moving too much.
Oh!
Hit it. Oh, drilled it.
A little high and to the right.
Hit it.
I didn't see where that went. High. Hit.
Hit. Nice. That's a big gun.
Yeah, it is.
High right. He was doing great with my 300.
Yeah.
Close. There's dirt. Oh, drilled it.
Now you're out.
You're out.
Oh yeah.
Fine.
Now
I
look.
think it's me. I think I kept pulling my head out of it. And plus, and not having the tripod.
223. 223.
223. Yeah, the tripod actually helps a lot.
Yeah,
I mean,
you don't
it's
you
steady.
realize how much you're moving.
Is that high? That was a hit. wasn't too bad, was it?